Hello everyone, welcome to Connectpedia tutorials. This is the home page or the website of Connectpedia. You see all the gym listing, the trending gyms, everything listed here. As of now, the listing is only for Bangalore. For here, we will discuss about how do we get to the Connectpedia Center Management software. For that, I'm going to menu. From here, My Connectpedia. Here comes a page which is called myconnectpedia.com, or otherwise you can directly come to this URL. Let me log in with a demo ID. The moment you log in, this page gives you the dashboard information, what is going on for today. So it gives you today's total income about the particular center, how many inquiries has happened from morning, how many enrollments has happened, expiry and renewal. Here comes the attendance part. It gives the total member footfall and staff footfall. For this attendance part, if only the center has a biometric device integrated with Connectpedia, then only it comes here. So this today's income shows you not only the total amount of income, but if you take your mouse here, it gives you how much was paid by cash, card and check for the owner's information. Here is a graph for the center of their sales from last 30 days. How the center is doing. Is it going upwards or is it going down? If you take the mouse to the individual dots, it gives you the revenue for that particular day. So for example, if I take it here, it gives 29th of July, it clocked a revenue of 18,000 rupees. So you can either see a 30 days graph here or even for the current month. The moment you selected current month, it shows you only for the sales graph for this particular month. Here comes the application zone. I'll come to the details about the application zone in a while in a next video. And this is a reminder zone for the particular center. So it gives a total follow-up reminder, inquiry follow-up reminder. It gives the expiry reminder. As you see, there is one expiry, member expiry happening here. If you want to see which member's membership is getting expired, it gives you the details here. So gives the member's name, mobile number and the package which is getting expired. Then if there is any amount due for the center, I see there is none of the amount due here, and this gives who's in. If you have a biometric attendance system integrated with the ERP, it gives a total of how many members have come from the morning with their name, the biometric ID and all the details. This gives a miscellaneous report. Miscellaneous report is nothing but to show you some handy reports on the dashboard. Last 7 days missed expiry. People who are about to renew in last 7 days but did not. So these are the missed expiry from last 7 days. So you can always call them up, give them reminder or send them SMS from the software itself. Similarly, it shows you last 7 days missed amount due. How many people were supposed to pay their due amount in last 7 days but did not. So here comes the details of it. Similarly, it gives you a heads up for the next upcoming 7 days. Upcoming 7 days expiry, you see who are the people's membership getting expired in next 7 days, so you can follow up with them. So here comes the details of that, and next 7 days amount due as well. So this is the miscellaneous handy reports, but there are a lot of in detailed report once we go to the reporting zone. I'll come to that on the next video. And this is the attendance part. As I informed earlier, if the center has a biometric integration with the software with Connectpedia, it gives a total attendance for today and yesterday. Again, as I said, if I go to the view report or the reporting details, it gives me a detailed attendance report, but this is just in the dashboard for the owner or the gym manager to give a heads up what's going on in the center.